This will be a very short video. I just want to take a look at the throughput rates of Token Ring versus Ethernet. So if I have Token Ring, this blue line here represents Token Ring, and let's say that this point where these two cross is where I have 10 computers connected. Well, you see, if I connected 11th computer, 12th computer, 13th computer, and so forth, this blue line, the token passing, it only drops down a little bit. The more computers I add, the longer it takes that empty token frame to pass around the ring, and so it's going to go slower and slower. But here, over on the red line, this is an Ethernet connection, and here, as I add computers beyond that 10th one, it slows way down. The response time becomes extremely slow, and that's because of all of this, all of these collisions. And the more computers you have, the more collisions you have, and the more collisions you have, then the more collisions you have, and so it slows it down very, very rapidly. So Ethernet would appear to be the worst case here. You would think that Token Ring would perform far better. However, the nice thing is that today with switches, we have very little contention. We no longer have those collisions between many computers because, remember, each port on a switch is its own collision domain, a collision domain of 1. And so we've gotten rid of these collisions with using switches. And because of that, we don't have this curve. We don't have this curve going on today so much with Ethernet. So it's still performing up here at this level better than Token Ring. So Ethernet still wins at the end of the day once we start adding switches.